all the valves should be good. Hello, this is Bill Cannon from Awesome Engines here with Joey Gladstone, and we just got done dynoing a 422 cubic inch motor. It's a pump gas motor. It is a Edelbrock 18 degree motor. It's got tons of nitrous on it, as I'll show you, but we didn't run any spray. We ran 93 pump gas on it just to give it a break-in to see what it would do. And this motor did 731 horsepower at 7,200 RPM. And it did 531 foot-pounds of torque at 5,600, and it's flat as a 2x4 on the torque. But anyway, we're going to put we have two big stages of nitrous. One's a 700 horsepower kit, one's a 600 horsepower kit. So just alone with the motor and the first stage, we're looking at well over 1,400 horsepower, which should be able to do what he wants to do. Anyway, I'm going to give you a look at the motor. You can take a look at it. Hold on. This is it's an Edelbrock Super Victor 18 degree. This is Nitrous Express's new NRC 750 horsepower. Besides, that's a number 8 fitting that goes in that nipple that feeds that solenoid. This is the Nitrous Express Piranha system nozzles. It's a shark setup with their solenoids. We had to do it because the valve covers are very close to the nozzles. And they were already in the intake, and all we did was freshen this thing up after it's run a while. It's been 6 years since we've had it back in here. We did have a vacuum pump on it. We were pulling 6.5 inches of vacuum. This thing is 10.2 to 1 compression. Run 93 octane gas in it. We ran, the time it was only 34 degrees, and it kept right on pulling, but it was flat at 72. I would have had to bump it up a little bit more in the timing. It does have a crank trigger. As you can see, it does have a 40-pound flywheel tied to the crank, plus a 60-pound absorber, so I'm swinging a lot of rotational weight just to keep it smooth. It's got an ATI dampener, and it's got the I think that's a billet fabrications pan. It does have a kick out on it, works very well. We pulled the vacuum right off of the fuel pump plate. And I do have the big headers on it. It's got the 4.5 inch exhaust, or it might be 4 inch exhaust on the collectors. And really good motor for some boys in Jersey who are going to do a little grudge racing. But it's for real. That's the NX system, as you can see. You got the fogger here, or the plate system here with 750. And you got the big shark system that we set all up. I plumbed it all up. As you can see, it's nice and neat. Everything's symmetrical. And that's it. So, you guys want to see a small block run this year? He's going to be in Jersey. I will see you later, and thank you.